hold the tail off. Okay, now he's got to side slip it under the roof. You can see out the side windows what's happening here. That nose is so high he can't see over it. He can't just fly it straight down, so he's flying somewhat blind. Okay, he's looking out there. He's got it. He's got the main gear on it. Now he's got to drive forward right into these little spaces there.
Land it.
See, he's got to hold that tail up because the wind, well, he'll fly if he brings that tail down. The right, he's got to slow down very carefully. He cannot hit the brakes or Ken goes into a nosedive real fast. So Ken Peach in that Interstate Cadet landing on the world's shortest runway, moving 60 miles an hour under you. That's pretty darn good. There goes the Yak 18, there goes down the Yak 55. Look at that simultaneous rolls on takeoff. Doug has been flying airplanes since he was a small child when his father surprised the family by taking